Today we're making an easy gingerbread that's soft right after baking. You can make it just before Christmas. It's moist, soft, and delicious. Find the exact ingredients in the video description below. In a pot, combine butter, sugar, gingerbread spice, cocoa, and honey. Heat until everything melts, then set aside to cool. Transfer to a bowl, add flour, milk, eggs, plum jam, baking soda, and powder. Mix briefly. Pour into a 30 centimeters loaf pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until done. Ice or add chocolate as desired. Decorate and enjoy.